Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to take a backup of a Supabase database. Supabase automatically creates daily backups for projects on the Pro, Team, and Enterprise plans. To view these backups, first sign into your Supabase account. Open the project you want to backup. From the left side menu, go to Database and then select Backups. Here you will find the available backups for your project. Pro Plan projects can access the last 7 days of daily backups. Team Plan projects can access the last 14 days of daily backups. Enterprise Plan projects can access up to 30 days of daily backups. You can review the backup history and restore your project to a previous backup if needed. If you want to create your own backup manually, Supabase recommends using the Supabase CLI first. Make sure the Supabase CLI is installed on your computer. Open a terminal or command prompt, connect to your Supabase project, and run the database dump command. This command creates a logical backup of your database that you can save and store securely. Manual backups are especially important for free plan projects because automatic daily backups are not included. For extra protection, keep copies of your backups in a separate location such as cloud storage or an external drive. If you ever need to restore your database, go back to the database section and open backups. Select the backup you want to restore. Choose a backup that was created before the point in time you want to recover. Review the information carefully because restoring a backup will make the project temporarily unavailable during the restoration process. Confirm the restoration when prompted. The time required depends on the size of your database. Larger databases may take longer to restore. Once the process is complete, Supabase will notify you that the restoration has finished. Keep in mind that database backups only include database data and metadata. Files stored through the storage API are not included in database backups. If files were deleted after a backup was created, restoring the database backup will not restore those deleted files. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.